Hello students, today's topic specific BIST architectures. Let us see what is the BIST abbreviation, built-in self-test. The definition of the BIST, a function built into a machine that tests itself automatically, that is known as built-in self-test. In this BIST there are different types of architectures, nearly 12 architectures. Let us see the function and operation of the each architecture and who invented and in which year invented in these architectures. Let us see one by one. First one, you can observe the first one. See the first architecture, centralized and separate board level BIST. In this BIST architecture, Benwich in the year 1975 introduced CSBL. Let us see the first two LFSRs and two multiplexes are added into the circuit. The first LFSR acts as PRPG and second LFSR acts as SISR, serial in signature register. The first multiplexer selects the inputs and the routes to the primary outputs and SISR. It has the following attributes: centralized and BIST, separate BIST architecture and no boundary scan. In this architecture, you can observe the function of this architecture. When this MUX selection 0, the primary outputs you can observe through the CUT. When this test mode should be 1, the output should be connected with PRPG pseudo-random pattern generators to CUT and CUT to SISR. Right? This is the BIST architecture of first one. Coming to the second architecture, built-in evolution and self-test. In this self-test, Perkins introduced in the 1980. The primary inputs connected to test pattern pseudo-random pattern generators and this pattern generator parallelly connected to CUT. This CUT tested the circuits, combinational circuit or sequential circuit. This CUT connected with the MISR to primary outputs. The pseudo-random pattern generators are applied in parallel from PRPG to the chip primary inputs, and the MISR is used to compact the chip output response. Whether the chip is working or not, it can observe the MISR in this condition. This architecture, the following architecture attributes the primary outputs and MISR. This is the centralized and distributed BIST architecture and no boundary scan in this architecture. Okay. Coming to the next third architecture, random test socket. In this random test socket, introduced in the Bardell in the year 1982, is not a true BIST architecture because the test circuitry is externally connected to the CUT. The RTS architecture has the following attributes: distributed and separate test architecture, no boundary scan, scan both CUT architecture. In this architecture, you can observe the pseudo-random test generator connected to the CUT and CUT connected with the MISR and R2 registers SR, SG and R4 register SI, SA register connected to the BIST controller. This BIST controller connected with the clocks and signal generators. In this BIST controller can generate the operation. First BIST signal should be BIST activation, means that is the active the BIST, then it perform the operation of R1 and R2, R3, R4 operation. After completion of R3 and R4 operation, BIST controller, the pin generate the BIST done, means the operation should be completed. In this operation, the R2 and R1, R4, R3 registers are scan registers. You can observe the operation of this R2 register. R2 register load the parallelly connected to and sent to the RN register and S out to R4 register. After completion of this R2 and R2 register, loading the R2 register, next clock cycle it can generate the R1 register and perform the operation of R3 and R4, you can observe. When the R3 and R4, the data should be mismatched, the error in the CUT or any of the registers. When the R3 and R4 register, the data should be correct. Good circuit means it is a fault-free circuit in BIST architecture. In this BIST architecture, this is the operation of the BIST controller. It can control the sequence of the random socket generator. Coming to the fourth architecture, LOCST, linear serial shift data on chip self-test. In this architecture, on chip monitor and CUT, R1, R2 the scan registers, you can observe the total on chip monitor can observe everything in this structure, LOCST structure. Let us see the operation of this on chip monitor. You can apply the serial in data binary information to the SRSG serial register shift generator to the R1 scan register, and this R1 scan register shifts to the data simultaneously to the CUT circuit as serial shift register, and this data CUT sends to the serial out to the R2 register, and R2 register shift register data sends to the SIC single input signature register sends to the output on chip monitor. In this output on chip monitor, you can observe if the serial in serial out data should be same, the error cannot be detected in this error detectory circuitry. If the serial in serial output data, the data should be mismatched, the error, you can observe the error detection circuitry is the fault in the circuit diagram. In this any circuit diagram. Let us see in this BIST LOCST BIST architecture, there are following attributes: centralized and BIST architecture, scan path, CUT, boundary scan, on chip, test controller. Next, coming to the next test architecture, self-testing using MISR and parallel S or SG. In this structure, pseudo random pattern generator connected to the CUT and CUT connected to the MISR using the linear shift phasers and linear phase comparator. In this self-testing using MISR, number of CUTs connected in this CUT, you can work either it may be 1 or up to 10 or up to n CUTs connected. This CUT, it may be operation functions of the CUT, combination circuits or sequential circuits. In this CUT, it can work the data shifts to the MISR, you can observe the scan to the all the registers received in this transmit PRPG to the MISR. The following stems attributes are centralized and BIST separate BIST architecture and multiple scan paths, no boundary scan registers. Coming to the next architecture, simultaneous self-test data. In this self-test data, you can observe the circuit diagram, AND gate and XOR and D flip-flop we are using. Here in this storage tells are three modes of operation: normal, scan, test modes of operation. In this test mode of operation, you can observe the normal test mode of operation. System data D equal to 0. The output should be directly connected to the D flip-flop. In the test mode T equal to 1, T equal to 0, the data should be connected to the CK2 and simultaneously it works to the operation of the D flip. In this test mode T equal to 1, the test clock CK2 should be connected to the C2 and the XOR output should be D exclusive SI. In this architecture, the following attributes connected to the distributed and embedded BIST architecture: scan CUT architecture, no boundary scan and no LFS are used in this architecture. Coming to the next architecture, built-in logic block observer. In this built-in logic observer, there are different types of block observers. The inputs of the B1 and B2 and the comment of the function B1, B2, 0, 1, we are applying the 0 and 1 in this function. All flip-flops are reset in this circuit diagram. When you are applying B1 and B2 inputs 1, 1, it behaves a latches, it operates this circuit diagram as a normal mode of operation. When this B1 equal to 0, B2 equal to 0, the operation of shift register mode, it goes to the shift register mode operation. Next, we are applying B1 equal to 1, B2 equal to 0, the operation it goes to the circuit diagram, it goes to the test mode of operation. The final summary of the representative logic BIST architectures. In this BIST architectures, there are so many, nearly 12 BIST architectures. The level of the BIST architecture. First, for example, CSBL, centralized separate board level BIST architecture. The level, it may be based on, it may be centralized or BIST architecture. The test pattern generator should be PRPG and output response should be connected with the SISR and circuit connected with the combination of sequential circuit. The BIST controller connected to the test for clock. Similarly, the BIST built-in evaluation test for clock. The level of the BIST connected attributes connected with the board and centralized BIST. The test pattern should be connected to the PRPG and output response. You can observe the circuit diagram. MISR and circuit level should be the combinational or sequential circuit. The BIST controller operation finally it can execute the test for clock. Finally, next BIST architecture LOCST. The level of the board should be the centralized board BIST architecture and test pattern generators of the inputs PRPG and the output response. You can observe the SISR and the circuit should be CUT and test only. It can operate combination circuit. The BIST final architecture it can observe the test for scan curve. Next, coming to the next fourth architecture STUMPS. The level of the architecture, board level and centralized BIST architecture test pattern should be, you can observe the PRPG, pseudo random pattern generators and output response should be MISR. The circuit should be the only it can execute the common circuit and BIST should be the test for scan circuit. These are all the circuit comparisons. For each circuit comparison you can observe the representative logic by BIST architectures. Thank you, one and all.